Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a work schedule in Excel. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Excel and start with a blank worksheet. In cell A1, type a title for your staff schedule. Then in cell A2, enter the week for which you're creating the schedule. Next, create your table headers. Start with a names header, followed by the dates of the schedule. For each date, leave a blank cell next to it. For example, type the first date, then leave the next cell empty. Select both cells and drag the fill handle to continue the pattern across the week. Under each date, type in and out to represent the start and end times of each shift. Then drag across to fill the remaining columns. Now, merge and center the date headers to make the schedule easier to read. After that, enter the names of your employees in the first column. Next, enter the shift start times for the first day. For this example, we'll assume everyone works an 8-hour shift. To calculate the end time automatically, click in the first out cell and enter a formula that adds 8 hours to the start time. Then drag the formula down and across the remaining out columns. As you enter start times for the rest of the week, the end times will update automatically. Now let's format the schedule. Centerline the shift times, bold the headers, and bold the employee names. You can also apply a background color to the headers and add borders around the entire table to make it look more professional. For the finishing touches, merge the cells containing the schedule title and week information. Then increase the font size to make them stand out. If you'd like to add a print date, go to the Insert tab, add a text box, and type the date. You can make it smaller and italicize it if desired. Your work schedule is now ready to use and customize. And that's it. If you liked the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.